Hello students, in this lecture video I am going to tell you the important topics which are being asked in many years question papers of M2 subject. As many students feel that M2 is bit difficult compared to that of M1, I see many students fail in M2. So I have come with certain important questions where you can clear this exam which is of COVID pattern. I hope you know the COVID pattern consists of 8 questions of which we are supposed to attempt any 5 questions. So I have come up with few units. Before that I let you know that if you prepare at least a minimum of 2 to 3 units, you are going to clear this subject, dear students, as we have only all lengthy problems. We don't have short questions here. So be clear and understand what I am telling you. Before that I let you know that you need to plan accordingly the units. Like if you are studying first unit, B you even study even second unit. I mean 1, 2 are bit related. Later if you want I would add even one more unit here, 4. 1, 2, 4. Please you need to be perfect with 1 to 4 units of M2 R18 syllabus. And next second plan is, I am talking, this is A plan and B plan, let the plan be B. So here 1, 2 and 5. 1, 2, 5. So you be clear with at least 1 to 4 units or 1 to 5 units of M2. Follow the syllabus copy of the R18. But whereas it is difficult for all of you to cover all the syllabus, the entire syllabus of the unit 1, so I have come up with few important topics. Please be clear with these topics so that you will be able to clear this subject, as 8 questions will be asked in the exam of which you are supposed to attempt any 5. Looking at the question paper pattern, 1, 2 questions may be from unit 1, as even the M1 paper had consists for 1 and 2 units are from, I mean 1 and 2 question is from unit 1, and 3 and 4, sometimes 3 and 4 may be from unit 2, it depends, and let otherwise 4 and 5 may be from unit 3. Why I skip the unit 3 here? Because the unit 3 is too lengthy and it is very difficult unit. So you cannot do it and now as you have less time. So please go with any 3 units. Later 6, 7, 8. The 6th question may be from also unit 3 and the 7th question is from unit 4 and 8th question is from unit 5. This is how, and this may change here, you may be getting even 4 also sometimes if the unit is too lengthy, so that the syllabus is too heavy, so that you are going to get the paper pattern like this. And do not expect direct question, as I told that you may be getting 1A and 1B, so which consists of 8 or 7 mark or 5 or 10 mark. So before that I would like to let you repeat once again that either go with 1 to 4 or 1 to 5. You can include even 1 to 4, 5. It is up to you. If you have much time, you can cover these units. But whereas taking into consideration the JNTUH, the units, the unit 1, if you prepare the exact and non-exact differential equations from the unit 1, later the linear equations are very important. You will be getting a problem from it. Hope that one question may come from these two. I mean the first question may come from these 2 topics for sure, and the second question may be from either these 3 topics. Let that be the Newton's law of cooling, as well as first degree equations for P, Y and X, and growth and decay relation. So dear students, we expect 2 questions from the unit 1. If you are perfect thoroughly with all the concepts related to these topics and all the types of problems, you prepare and practice so that you will be able to attempt 2 questions. You will be getting 30 marks in unit 1 if it is 1 and 2 question. Sometimes second question may be also from the 3rd unit. So what are the topics we are going to cover here is the method of variation of parameters, is one of the important topic, and Legendre's equations is also important. The Euler's equation is very important. Please focus on that. If the question comes from the third unit, second unit is the two questions. So one question will be from this, I mean 3, and the fourth question is from the Euler's equation. So make sure, dear students, study perfect, 100% perfect the units, so that if you are getting 3 questions, compulsory be getting 3 questions. If not 4, they will be giving 3 questions from first and second unit, so that you will be able to get 45 marks there. So prepare accordingly. Now later I have taken the 5th unit because 5th unit is a bit small. So there you could able to work out with Gauss divergence theorem. We have theorems in this. Compulsory a theorem will be getting, we will be getting a theorem followed by some problem or relation. So practice these theorems. So the next is the Green-Stokes theorem, and later the divergence theorem. Later the divergence theorem, of which the Gauss divergence as well as the Green-Stokes theorem is very important. If you go through the previous year question papers, the Green-Stokes theorem is being asked many times repeatedly. So make sure to work out it and practice that. And also I have taken one more, the work done vector integration problem. So out of these topics, you may be getting any one question. So that belongs to the 8th question. That is of the 8th question. So make sure to work out all the topics and focus on the theorems. For sure a theorem you are going to get A, or the B may be some problem, or for directly 15 marks any of the theorem you are going to get out of these 3 topics. Later I have taken even the 4th unit also. Why? Because few students have practiced and worked out the unit 4. So what are the important topics in the unit 4? The unit 4 is all about the divergence and curl, and later solenoidal and irrotational equations, and directional derivatives are very important. We can expect the question from the the directional derivatives. Later I have considered even angle between surface problems also, dear students. So whichever I have highlighted in the box and whichever I highlighted in the red color, make sure that those are the important questions which are being asked repeatedly in previous year question papers, and do work out all these concepts so that you are going to clear in this COVID pattern, and make sure to clear the paper for sure. If you are carrying this paper as a supply from 4-5 years, and few students have kept it from 2 to 3 years also, and because the question paper pattern is very easy and simple, dear students. Hope you will do that and make sure to practice all this. Do not just read mathematics. While doing mathematics, you are supposed to have a rough copy and draw and write each and everything, so that you'll be getting the concepts instead of reading. Do not by heart mathematics. Please practice on a piece of paper or the book and perform well in the exam. In the next video, I'll let you know few questions also. So I'm going to give you few questions related to all these topics which I have told. Hope you are liking my videos, and do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.